Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about how you can add links to your WordPress post. So in some cases you want to do interlinking, you want to add backlinks to your post, or you want to add a link and redirect people to a particular place or a particular page on your post. But some persons have been asking me, they don't know how to embed links to their posts. So this is how to do it, guys. Now I'm using one of my friends' website, topussoftwares.com. So if you have any website, if you have any thing to download online, you can go to this website and use it for free. So all you have to do with this website is what? That's if you want to, it's a new website, and if you own the site and you have to own the site before you can embed links. So I want to embed links. If you have the site and you want to embed links to your post, all you have to do is what? Go to your website, WP, if it's a WordPress website, /admin. But if in some cases, for security reasons, it is possible for you to change your URL so that hackers will not find it easy to hack your website. So all you have to do is what? Once you go to your dashboard, to log in, you enter your details. You should know that. And after entering your details, you wait for it to load. So this is it. Now let's change one of the links of one of our posts that we have on this website already. So this is it. So this is the post, all posts. You go to all posts by the left hand side, and after going to all posts, you look for the post you want to edit, and this is it. So you click on edit. After clicking on edit, you need to wait for some time. Once it opens, let me copy the link and use. So this is an article about what the software is about. So now we want to embed the link. Now we are embedding this link to an image. You can also do it to a text. But for this image, click on it. After clicking on it, at the top here, you will see something like a chain. So once you highlight it, you see edit link. Click on it. So this is the previous link that we had here. All you have to do is click on this edit tool or pencil tool. Once you click on it, then you'll be able to edit, delete whatever is already there and add. And that's it. So what if you want to add to a new, it's a new post and there is no link there, so you are not editing anything. All you have to do is just to click to embed it to a text. So you can do something like, let's say, to download, I'm gonna click here. So let's embed it to this thing. You just have to left click, then highlight the text. So at the top here, you see something like that chain. Click on it, add the link, and press enter, or you click on submit. And that's also, you need to click on update. It's as simple as ABC. Just follow the instructions given and you are good to go. So let's open the site. This is the post, and the links are there, so you are good to go. Thanks for watching this video. If you are joining us for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe before leaving. We love you so much and we hope to see you again, and bye for now.